Welcome to the DNA podcast. In this episode, we uncover the surprising security threat hidden in an everyday item and explore why strict liquid restrictions have become a crucial part of air travel safety. Behind this everyday inconvenience lies a story that few travelers ever stop to question. Imagine you are happily packing for your flight. You carefully place your toothbrush, your charger, and your favorite shampoo inside your carry-on bag. Everything feels perfect. But then, at the airport security check, an officer stops you and says your bottle is too big and must be thrown away. It feels strange, even a little unfair. After all, it is only shampoo, water, or a cold drink. So why do airports worry so much about a simple bottle of liquid? The real answer is connected to a dramatic event that changed aviation security across the whole world. It revealed a surprising and frightening problem. Some dangerous substances can look exactly like harmless, everyday liquids. So let us understand why airports limit the liquids you can carry, and how these strict rules actually came into existence. Before the mid-2000s, airport security looked very different from today. Travelers could freely carry large bottles of water, soft drinks, shampoo, perfume, and many other liquids onto airplanes, without any worry. Of course, security screening already existed, but liquids were simply not seen as a serious danger. The main focus was on catching weapons like guns and knives. A bottle of water or lotion looked completely innocent. For many years, this system seemed good enough. But slowly, security experts understood an important truth. Dangerous materials do not always come in an obvious shape or form. The modern liquid rules can mostly be traced back to a major terrorist plot uncovered in 2006. Authorities in the United Kingdom discovered a plan in which certain individuals intended to carry liquid explosives onto commercial aircraft, hidden inside ordinary beverage bottles and other common containers. The most alarming part was that nobody could tell these explosives apart from a normal drink, and that single fact changed everything. Almost overnight, governments everywhere realized their old systems were no longer enough, and they rushed to tighten aviation security. New liquid restrictions were introduced very quickly, and many of the rules we follow even today were born from those urgent measures. At first glance, these rules can feel excessive. Why limit liquids when so many other items are allowed? The real difficulty lies in how liquids appear during security screening. Metal detectors are excellent at finding metal objects, and X-ray machines can often identify dangerous items by their shape. But liquids behave differently. A bottle of water, a bottle of juice, and a bottle containing a harmful chemical can all look surprisingly similar on a scanner. Security officers cannot always tell exactly what is inside just by looking at the image. Modern scanners have improved a lot, yet liquids still remain harder to judge than most solid objects. Because of this challenge, security agencies chose a simple, practical solution: limit how much liquid each passenger can carry into the cabin. One of the most famous airport rules is the 100 milliliter rule. In many countries, passengers may carry liquids only in containers holding no more than 100 milliliters each. These small containers are usually placed together inside one clear plastic bag. This number was chosen as a fair balance between safety and convenience. Small containers greatly reduce the chance of carrying large amounts of dangerous material, while still allowing essentials like toothpaste, cosmetics, and contact lens solution. Equally important, the rule is easy to understand. A clear limit is far simpler for travelers and officers than a complicated system. Here, one detail often confuses people. Suppose you have a 500 milliliter bottle with only a little liquid inside. Why is it still banned? The reason is that security checks the size of the container, not the amount currently inside it. Measuring every bottle would be slow and impractical. Using container size creates one fixed standard that can be applied quickly to millions of passengers each year. It may feel inconvenient, but it keeps the security lines moving smoothly. Many travelers also notice something odd. A water bottle bought before security is not allowed, but one bought after security is permitted. The difference is simply the location. Products sold inside the secure area have already entered a protected, controlled zone. So authorities allow those drinks onto the aircraft. Are the rules the same everywhere? Not exactly. Many countries follow similar restrictions, but the small details can differ. Some airports now use advanced scanners that create detailed three-dimensional images and reveal much more about liquids. This is the most exciting part. As this technology spreads and machines learn to detect danger reliably, the old limits may slowly fade away. The day may come when you simply walk through with your full water bottle, no plastic bag needed. So next time security takes your bottle, remember it reflects yesterday's threat, and tomorrow's smarter machines may finally set you free. Thank you for tuning into this podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating tales from India and beyond.